Grandmaster Song Chun Ho. Agryong Chariot. Kyungre.
Good afternoon. I'd like to also send good news. Yesterday, one of our junior players just got the gold medal from Korea World Junior Taekwondo Championship. So finally, after 28 years, 1996, we got the gold medal from Paolo Borromeo. After 28 years, Tatiana got the gold medal from the World Junior Championship. Through this kind of championship, we support all the players, especially in the school. Among the school, you exchange camaraderie and your fighting spirit, and also the relationship, so that you can have a good harmonious the tournament. So I hope you can enjoy, and then you can also get a good result, and then those who come from the province, I hope you can have a safe trip. God bless you all. Thank you.
And everyone Chariot. Kyungre. Thank you, Grandmaster Ho. And to declare the opening of games, let us call on Sir Gershon Bautista, Tournament Manager.
By the power vested in me by the Philippine Taekwondo Association, I now declare the 2024 Smart MVP Sports Foundation National Interschool Taekwondo Championships open.
For the oath of sportsmanship, let us now call on Nikos Bien Olango of Mat Taekwondo and Marlene Angela Agaceta of Zambeda College, Alabang. Players, please stand up.
Right, let's go. Go back.
Please raise your right hand. Repeat. Please raise your right hand.
One by one.
Please raise your right hand. Please raise your hand and repeat. Please raise your right hand and repeat after me. Taekwondo practitioner. As a member of the Philippine Taekwondo Association, do hereby pledge to uphold Taekwondo competition rules. I shall foster the spirit of protection, fair play, in accordance with the values of Taekwondo. The Constitution, Codes of Conduct of the Philippine Taekwondo Association. In doing so, I hope to live Almighty God, to my instructor, teammates, and to the chapter I represent. So help me God.
And for the oath of referees, let us call on National Referees Magnolia Angelica Magaway of Region 2 and Jean Andre Erickson Machong of NT Auto.
Referees, raise your right hand and repeat after us. I, a national referee of the Philippine Taekwondo Association, do hereby pledge to uphold the rules of Taekwondo competition, to protect the rights of the contestants, and to look after their safety.
I shall foster the spirit of sportsmanship and fair play. In accordance with the tenets of Taekwondo and the competition codes of conduct. So help me God. Chariot, Chumre.